Bisa na lang sa social media sa Joyce. Tapos si Joy, si Joy kayo sa graduation. Lady siya, lady of the day. Graduation. Graduation ko nga sa ipagyo. Pero ko lang sa Siniya po na sa Doon si Jesus, api. Sebutin ko dulu kan, kopi guys. Kopi super kopi. Apa kopi? Di mana di maraton itu SUV Basur. Ini sedang melihat kota. We have a single, we have a load reader from Yap Petron Gas Station. For the first envelope, we have. Nasa nyo? Nasa. Kasi hindi ko kaya checklist.
Checklist. Ang isang checklist na.
Yeah, load reader, Petron Gas Station. For the checklist, for the first envelope, we have a preliminary examination of the critical component of the bill. We have a Class A document, valid friendship registration certificate, and must be a platinum membership.
Yap Petron Mega Station, platinum membership.
Next, we have registration certificate.
Yap Petron, DPI.
Mayor's or business permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidder is located.
Yap Petron, check, valid until December 31, 2024.
Tax declaration per Executive Order 398 series of 2005 as finally reviewed approved by the BIR.
Check.
For the technical document, we have statement of the prospective bidders of ongoing government and private contracts.
Yap, check.
Statement of bidders, single largest completed contract or the SLCC.
Yap Petron, gas, check.
Hello, sir.
Put yourself, put your phone in the silent mode.
Hello, sir.
Statement,
Siya po ang ito niya, mga to.
Check na check.
original copy of change security.
Tuwa tayo sa tao yun.
Yap Petron Mega Station, in a form of bid security declaration,
Not notarized.
duly notarized.
Conformity with the technical specification, which may include product delivery schedule, manpower requirement, and other sales part, if applicable.
Check.
The original and duly design on the source statement, the OSS.
Check. Duly notarized.
For the financial document, you have suppliers audited financial statements showing, among others, supplier total current asset and liabilities.
Check.
Next, the prospective bidders computation of the net financial contracting capacity or the NFCC.
Ay, nasa siya.
NFCC.
NFCC Obiak Mega Petron Mega Station is 245,162,589 pesos and 35 centavos.
Sa inyo po, conditions sa mga condition.
Or it will be accumulated line of credit from the electrician proposed by NEU of the NFCC. For a class B document, Unisign Venture Agreement, dito sa applicable. For the other documentary requirement, other Republic after the report, for foreign dealers claiming the applicable certificate of the NPI claims of preference as domestic bidders or domestic entity. ABC report.
PVC is, for the contract PVC is 5,808,342 pesos.
For the first, for the second envelope. The preliminary examination of the financial component of the bid. Financial component of the bid. We have original June signed, accomplished financial bid forms.
Yakmi Petron Mega Station, check.
Bid offer.
Yak Petron Mega Station offers 5,755,740 pesos only. 740 pesos. 746. 5,755,740 pesos.
Original and June signed, accomplished price schedule.
Check.
Ang imong remark siguro niya, dog breeder, sa ba? Getting clarification from the dealers from Yak Petron Mega Station. None? If there's none, from the member of the bank, any clarification? None? Hearing none. You have nothing to discuss, the meeting is adjourned. Secure kasi cukup Januari, Februari, Maret, Juni, Juli.